Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Check it out. I have a video that just hit 1 million views. Literally just today. Took about 5 years to get there, but today it hit 1 million. And guess what? In this 2-minute video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much money YouTube paid me for that 1 million views. So let's go down to my analytics. And in the last 28 days, it shows it's gotten this video has gotten about 11,000 views, and that's made $125.66 again in the last 28 days. Let's click on that. Let's go over to revenue, and we'll switch it over to lifetime, meaning lifetime of this video. There it is right there. So for the lifetime of this video, for 1 million views, YouTube has paid me $9,504.45. Now, friends, do me a favor. Down in the comments, let me know. Is that surprise you? It's really high. Does that surprise you? It's really low. Again, 1 million views is a lot of views, but at the same time, there's lots of videos that get a lot more views than that. Now, this means that for every 1,000 views that this video got, I made approximately $9.50. And that's called the RPM. I'm not going to dive deep into that. But the point in telling you that is this one for $9.50 for every 1,000 views is high. That's a lot of money, at least for my channel. So most of the time I make more like $7 to $8 per 1,000 views. So this type of a video makes a little bit extra money on there. Hey friends, I hope this helps you out. I hope it encourages you to, I don't know, maybe you're going to try out YouTube. Maybe you're trying to grow a channel, something along those lines. Do me a favor, down in the comments down below, let me know if you're surprised by how much money that is. And also let me know if you are interested in me making another channel that explains how I've made this channel right here that you're looking at. Also, I have several other channels, and I'm happy to share with you how I've made these. Some of the channels I've used an iMac, a very expensive one to make the channel. The channel you're looking at right now is called Check It Out. That entire channel, all of the videos on here, more than 300, probably more than 400 videos now, are all made on iPhones. I started with an iPhone, I believe 8 for this particular channel. It actually may have been an iPhone 6, like the 6 Plus. And right now, what I'm holding in my hand as I'm making this video is an iPhone, what is it, a 15 Pro Max? Is that the big one? I always get the big one. It makes it easier to edit it. That's right. I use the phones to create the videos, and I actually edit them using iMovie, and I upload them straight from the phone. I hardly even use the iMac computer at all, almost all on the phone. Hey, if that's interesting for you, put a comment down below. I'm thinking about making another channel and naming it something like how to create a YouTube channel only using your iPhone. And I can explain to you step by step how I do it, tips and tricks I've learned from lots of mistakes throughout the years that I've been doing YouTube. And I can help you cut to the chase and maybe get your channel up and going. Hey friends, hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, put a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.